Elevate your Buckingham garage with a 2-post car lift from Lyons Equipment, the UK's premier provider of vehicle lifts and garage equipment services. With over 45 years of experience, we've been empowering Milton Keynes drivers to upgrade their home workshops into professional spaces. Whether you're working on cars in a home garage or a professional setting, a 2-post lift enhances safety, convenience, and efficiency. Selecting the right 2-post car lift involves considering various factors, such as weight capacity, brand reputation, and specific features that align with your vehicle's specifications. Proper maintenance and creative use of the lift can transform routine tasks, making vehicle maintenance, storage, and cleaning far more efficient. Our comprehensive guide simplifies the selection process, highlighting essential considerations like weight capacity and garage space, ensuring you choose a lift that perfectly suits your needs. Although installing a 2-post lift requires an initial investment and space, the benefits of enhanced safety, convenience, and a professional-grade workspace outweigh these considerations. For professional installation and to maximize the advantages of your 2-post car lift, reach out to Lyons Equipment. Overcome any challenges with our expert advice, ensuring a seamless installation and optimal lift performance. Transform your garage and elevate your automotive passion with our help. Contact Lyons Equipment at 01280822089 or visit our website at https://lyonsequipmentuk.com for more details and a free consultation. Find a link to the full article in the video description and comments for further insights.